This is the decision, and this is the moment when Reed and Julia will cease to be two separate individuals from two separate families. This is the moment when they will come together as one. This is the moment, right now, a Texas and Georgia mega merger happens, right now.
Reed, my love, I had prayed for this day, my future husband, since I was a little girl. Little did I know that I would be lucky enough to end up with my own Superman. You're the most handsome man in the universe. I promise to never stop telling you how much I absolutely adore you.
Joy, you're a great leader. You're a thoughtful thinker and feeler. You're intentional in your relationships. You are purposeful in choosing righteousness. You're optimistic, you're faithful, you're diligent, and you're very loving. We're so proud of the woman that you've become. Reed, you are patient, you are gentle, you are kind. We love that about you. You're a man of integrity, and you're very loving, and you're hilarious. Plus, you, throughout your whole childhood, dressed up as Batman. However, he looks like my favorite superhero, Clark Kent, Superman. Wow. You are beautiful. I don't want to mess you up. I know, I love you. It's gorgeous. Wowzers. Look at that.
You are my rock, my moon and stars, my biggest cheerleader, my stand-up comedian, my cuddle buddy, my sunshine and my everything, baby. Thank you for making me feel like the most special girl in the universe. I cannot imagine my life without you.
Remember that the way to be purposeful and intentional is number one, most importantly, truth and understanding of who God is for you both. Number two, trust one another. And number three, treasure one another. Those three things will keep your marriage on course.
I, Reed, offer myself completely to you, to be your husband in marriage.
I promise to trust, treasure, and love you.
I promise to trust, treasure, and love you.
With all of my heart.
With all of my heart.
I promise to stand beside you always.
I promise to stand beside you always.
In times of joy.
In times of joy.
In trial.
In trial.
In sorrow.
In sorrow.
I pledge to you myself.
I pledge to you myself.
And all that I am.
And all that I am.
Until only death separates us.
Until only death separates us.
I also know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Give yourself fully to this adventure of increasing attentiveness to my presence. As you focus your thoughts on me, be aware that I am fully attentive to you. I see you with a steady eye because my attention span is infinite. I know and understand you completely. My thoughts embrace you in everlasting love.
Reed and Julia, we we both believe, Jill and I are very confident, that you two are a match made in heaven. It is now both of your duties to grow and nurture this new covenant marriage that you've joined in today on a daily basis. Always serving one another, always loving one another, always seeking to honor God in the way that you act as your role as a spouse.
Love you. Something about you. Got all of the feels, it's magic for real. I freaking love you. I freaking love you. The way you move, the way you shake, so hot, so cool, too much to taste. The way you move, the way you shake, so hot, so cool, can't help but say, I freaking love you. I freaking love you. Come on, let's do this. I freaking love you. I freaking love you. I freaking love you. Something about you. Got all of the feels, it's magic for real. I freaking love you. I freaking love you.
It is my great honor and it's my great joy to highlight that as much as Reed and Julia have publicly declared their intention to live together in Christian marriage and have witnessed the same before God in this amazing group of people that are here today, I pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Reed, you may kiss your bride.